Hello, beautiful women. How is going on? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Outfits to Impress. Today, I have an exciting video planned just for you. In this video, I am sharing some fabulous summer fashion outfit ideas for women aged 50 and above. It's time to embrace your style and rock those warm weather looks. So let's dive in. First up is the classic yet trendy ensemble that's perfect for a casual day out. Pair a flowing lightweight maxi dress with a colorful statement necklace and a wide brimmed hat. The dress will keep you cool while the accessories add a touch of elegance to the look. Moving on to a more sophisticated option is the chic summer pantsuit. Opt for a linen or cotton blend fabric for breathability. Pair it with a stylish printed blouse and a sleek belt to cinch in your waist. This outfit is perfect for a brunch date or a garden party. Now, let's talk about summer skirts. A knee-length or midi skirt paired with a flowy blouse is a great choice. Consider floral patterns or vibrant colors to add a playful touch. Don't forget to accessorize with a stylish tote bag and comfortable sandals for a relaxed yet polished look. For those days when you want to channel your inner boho goddess, try a stylish tunic top with wide leg bands. This ensemble is effortlessly chic and perfect for those hot summer days. Add a statement belt to define your waist and complete the look with oversized sunglasses. Moving on to the next outfit idea is the modern twist on the classic denim. Pair a trendy denim jumpsuit with colorful accessories like a bold scarf and chunky jewelry. It's a versatile outfit that can be dressed up or down, and it's guaranteed to turn heads wherever you go. Remember, fashion knows no age limits. Embrace your unique style and experiment with different colors, patterns, and accessories. The key is to feel confident and comfortable in whatever you wear. Next outfit idea is a classic summer look that never goes out of style. White jeans paired with a breezy floral top. White jeans are a versatile staple that can be dressed up or down, and when paired with a colorful floral top, it adds a touch of elegance and femininity to your ensemble. Don't forget to accessorize with a statement necklace or some chunky bracelets to complete the look. Now, let's talk about a trendy yet age-appropriate summer outfit. Culottes paired with a loose-fitting blouse. Culottes are a great alternative to shorts or skirts as they offer a comfortable and stylish option. Opt for a pair in a neutral color like black or navy and pair it with a flowing blouse in a complementary shade. This combination creates a chic and effortless look that is perfect for casual outings or even a lunch date with friends. Next outfit idea is a classic and timeless summer look, the shirt dress. A shirt dress is not only comfortable but also versatile. Choose a dress in a breathable fabric like linen or cotton and cinch it at the waist with a belt to create a more defined silhouette. You can style it with sandals or wedges for a casual day look, or dress it up with heels and some statement jewelry for a more formal occasion. Moving on, let's talk about a summer staple, shorts. Yes ladies, shorts can be stylish and age appropriate. Looks for shorts that have a comfortable fit and a modest length. Pair them with a lightweight blouse or a flowy tunic for a laid-back and breezy summer look. There is nothing like a day at the beach to enjoy the sun and waves. For a relaxed beach look, opt for a flowy sundress like this. It's lightweight and perfect for a beach cover-up too. Don't forget your wide-brimmed hat and trendy sunglasses to complete the look. Picnics are all about fun and food, but your outfit can add to the enjoyment too. Try a stylish jumpsuit that allows you to move freely while looking oh so chic. Pair it with some comfy espadrilles or sandals for a cute and playful vibe. Exploring the city during summer calls for an outfit that is both stylish and practical. A romper is an ideal choice as it keeps you cool and you can easily dress it up or down with accessories. Slip into some comfy sneakers or strappy sandals and you're ready to conquer the urban jungle. Brunch with friends is the perfect occasion to showcase your fashion flair. A flowy midi skirt paired with a cute crop top creates a laid-back yet chic ensemble. Don't forget some dainty jewelry and a crossbody bag to hold all your essentials. Evenings out call for a touch of elegance and a maxi dress is just the ticket. Choose a flowy, lightweight fabric with a beautiful print to turn heads wherever you go. Add some statement earrings and wedges to complete the sophisticated look. That's wrap for today's video on summer fashion outfit ideas for women of age 50 and above. I hope this video has given you some inspiration to get creative with your summer wardrobe. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please press the red subscribe button as well. And press the bell icon so you would be notified of my latest upcoming videos. Lastly, if you want to get many more summer outfit ideas for different designs and categories, you can also watch my channel content by using the link mentioned in the description box of that video. I am sure you also gonna love these outfit ideas as well. Thank you so much for watching that video and my daily content. May God bless all of you guys. Take care of yourself and your family members. Goodbye. Thank you.